Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be my 20-week recap of pregnancy. I am halfway through my pregnancy, which is crazy and so exciting, and so I wanted to share that with you and just give you a bit of an update, how I'm feeling, what I'm craving, anything that's been working for me, like product wise, just like all the goodies about being 20 weeks pregnant. Like I said, I still can't believe that I'm halfway through my pregnancy. It has really flown by. So if you're interested to hear how it is being 20 weeks pregnant, a little update, that's what this video is going to be. And if you're not already subscribed, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle and I create lifestyle and pregnancy content. I would love to have you join our family on here, so definitely hit that subscribe button. So just a little update overall, we have our anatomy scan in a couple days and we are very excited to do that big ultrasound and see baby. That is going to be so fun. We also will hopefully find out the gender. I know it kind of sometimes depends on if the baby is in a different position that they can see it and everything. So overall, I am feeling very good in my second trimester, way better I would say than my first. Not that my first was bad at all. I've been very blessed with a very easy pregnancy, but second trimester has been wonderful. And something that I did want to mention early on in this video is something that we've been doing to, I don't know, not like ease our nerves, because I don't think that we're very anxious or nervous by any means, but it is something that could ease your nerves if you're pregnant and you're watching this. But it's also just been something fun to have, and it is the Neeva Baby Fetal Doppler. So I did show this in a video, a vlog a little bit ago, and I did show us finding the heartbeat, but I didn't really explain it. So I wanted to explain that because a lot of people asked me more information about it. This is not sponsored at all. This is a great company note and they did send this to me, but I just thought it was something fun that I think if you're pregnant, if you're thinking about getting pregnant, whatever, it's something that you should know of. And there are a few, I think, fetal Dopplers. You can probably get some on Amazon and stuff, but this has been something we've been really liking, and so I wanted to share kind of how it works. What you get when you buy it, you will get the Doppler, and then you'll also get some of the little gel that you have to put on. So this is what the Doppler looks like, and this is the part that goes on your belly, and then it just tells you the heartbeat right in here. I do have a code for this if you want to get, I think it's $5 off. You can use my code. It's Michelle Rose 5. I will put it in a link down in the description box, but I'm also going to kind of demo this for you and show you how to use it, why I love it, and everything like that. I'll probably do that and film it after the video and then insert it. So I will see you back here after that little clip. That way I don't have to reset up my, camera and everything. But it's definitely worth looking into. It's been really fun to not have to wait for your appointment all the time to hear baby. And also, of course, ask your doctor about it before you dive into it. I think that's always a safe thing to do, is ask and talk to your doctor first, but we really like this. So I'm going to share with you how this works. I'm going to do a little demonstration. So you need your gel that is going to go on. It helps just transmit it, and then you check this to tell you the heart rate. I'm just going to apply the gel. I just do it right to the actual thing instead of just putting it right on my belly, and sometimes it takes longer, so you go through certain different amounts. I'm pretty generous with how much I put on, and then like I said, don't be afraid to add more if you need to. So first of all, here's a little bump update. So this is 20 weeks. Little baby bump. We have to turn around. I guess that would help. Okay. You hear that? That means it's on. When I was newly pregnant, I did it pretty low, but now that I'm 20 weeks, I'm going to be around here. Okay, so like I said, second trimester has been way better than the first. Not that the first was bad by any means, but I think the first was worse in the sense that I was exhausted, and I've talked about that before, but the first trimester I was so tired, so tired, and I have gotten my energy back so much. I would say in the evenings is when it hits me. The evening time, like right after dinner, is when I totally could crash. Like I could go to bed after dinner if I really wanted to. I usually have things to do, so I can't, but it's been hard actually for me to stay awake long enough to like get things done that I want to do, because I end up crashing in the evening. But during the day, I feel great. My energy is back, and I am very grateful for that. So I've been loving that in this second trimester. I have a few symptoms of being 20 weeks pregnant that are a little different. I actually have a little note in my phone in case I forgot any. You know, I want to write it down. I have been experiencing heartburn a little bit, not a lot at all. But when I wake up, actually, in the morning, I've been having a little bit. And so I notice once I actually sit up, though, it kind of goes away. It doesn't linger at all. And so I would say it's not bad. I've heard stories of women having horrible heartburn. Mine's not bad, but that is something that's been popping up recently. Like I would say 19 weeks, 20 weeks. It's been popping up. The other thing is my breakouts. I talked about this too for first trimester. My skin was breaking out with baby acne like crazy. It went away. When I flipped into first trimester to second trimester, it went away. 20 weeks, 19 weeks, 18 weeks, I noticed it is starting to come back. I guess just like your hormones, you know, are going up and down, doing their thing, and 20 weeks pregnant, it's back. It's here to say hello. I am not a fan. I'm trying to treat it, but yeah, it's definitely back. So that's unfortunate. Round ligament pain has begun, and basically what that is your ligaments like around your tummy, your belly, are stretching, you know, for baby, and they're starting to ache, and I get like a sharp, it almost feels like a side stitch, kind of like if you're a runner or you exercise, you know, you get those like side stitches sometimes. It feels like that. It's very short and mild, but it does hurt. And I looked it up, and that is what it is. It's round ligament pain. So yes, that has started, and I would say it's, I don't even know, like it's not even bad enough to be annoying. It's more just like, oh, that kind of hurts. What is that? And then I look it up. You know, of course, it's pregnancy, because anything weird that's been going on with my body recently, I look up and it's pregnancy. My skin has been so dry, and I love lotion. I put lotion on like crazy. But recently I self-tanned, like not this tan, but when I did a few weeks ago, and I put lotion on, but I don't know, like I missed maybe a night or two. My self-tanner looked horrible because my skin is so dry from pregnancy. So I have been having to put lotion on morning and night, and really be adamant about remembering to do it, because if not, my self-tanner looks terrible because my skin is just so dry right now. And I mean everywhere, like head to toe, my skin is dry. So that's something new. I would say around like this time that just started as well. And then something that's been around for, well, since the beginning. Well, no, actually, I want to take that back. I would say it was since the beginning, but it's gotten way worse recently, is shortness of breath. And right when I got into the second trimester, it was the worst. Like, I couldn't talk this long to a camera without, you know, having to take a huge breath and take a break. But it's still lingering around. I have shortness of breath. With a mask and teaching, I'm a teacher, so when I teach and project my voice to my students, that's been really hard, but I just get winded very easily. My chest is still awfully sore. It's not as bad as the first trimester, but it's definitely sore and tender, and things are happening and they're growing, and I had to get all new bras. So that is happening, and it's been, the pain hasn't been worse recently, but like I said, I had to get all new bras, and I'll get into things I've been loving too recently and things I bought. But yes, that is definitely something I've been noticing. I've also been noticing that my belly has been getting like a little harder, you know, like they say, like when you're pregnant you have like that harder, I guess, belly. Like I've always carried a bit of weight in my belly, and that's just how I've always been ever since, you know, I can remember. So I've always had like a little like jiggle, I guess, if you will. And that is becoming less and less. I can feel it more dense, I guess is a word you would use. I don't really know, but it's changing and it's starting to look a lot different. My bump is growing. 20 weeks, I want to say, what is the fruit for 20 weeks? I know 19 weeks was a mango because I put that in a vlog the other day. 20 weeks is a banana, which they mean the length. I'm assuming not like, you know, the look of it. But baby is 6.5 inches and 10 ounces. And you can definitely tell, like, I feel like my belly is definitely growing now. I do have a bump and that's exciting. Plus it's also fun, like if you have clothing where you can see your bump. I just think it's really cute. And I know it's gonna grow so much more than it is now, but nonetheless, it's been fun to watch. So for cravings, I am continuing to love fruit. That has been a craving from like the very beginning. Tons of fruit. A bit of a new craving is ice, and like ice in my drinks. So I have never been the type of person to need ice in a drink. I have drank lukewarm water, which I know a lot of people think is gross, but it has not bothered me at all my entire life. And now all I want is ice cold water. Tons of ice, iced tea with tons of ice, lemon. I don't have any in this one. I should have put it in because I have some cut, but any kind of like lemon in my drinks is so good. I love sour stuff right now, sour gummies. And now that I'm thinking of it, honestly, I probably could like suck on a lemon piece, which sounds really weird, I know, but you can't explain pregnancy cravings. They're just there. And I've been really liking that tart sourness. We went to get ice cream the other day, and the ice cream shop also is like a candy shop. I got sour gummy bears, sour gummy worms, all the sour things. The other day I ate so many Sour Patch Kids that my tongue literally hurt. So I've realized I can't overdo it, but I do love all the sour stuff right now. Fruit, and then like I said, also ice has been a big craving. All right, so 20 weeks pregnant is when I decided, you know what, I am sick of being uncomfortable with my leggings like right on my belly like that, especially with my belly starting to grow. So I finally did it and I bought maternity leggings, and when I got them in, I got them from Amazon. I can link them below, but when I got them in, I was hesitant to, I don't know, I just wasn't sure if I'd like them, but I put them on and I said to my husband, I am never taking these things off, ever. They are so comfortable. Oh my gosh, they're silky smooth, they're so soft, and they just feel so good on my belly. I love how far up they come, because even before I was pregnant, I hated when you could see your leggings, like the band, and especially now that I'm pregnant with my belly being bigger, I feel like you could really see the band when I wore clothing, and this just kind of goes really high and it feels really good on. I love them so much. I bought a second pair, and like I said, I will link them because I think even if you're not pregnant, like, I don't know, I just think they're really good. I really like them a lot. I'm so glad that I did it, and I plan to wear them even after pregnancy because they're real comfy. The other thing I did was buy some nursing bras for the first time. So 20 weeks pregnant, decided again to do a first, and that was buy nursing bras. And I chose nursing bras because I was like, I'm not going to buy brand new bras, have them not fit in a little bit, because nursing bras are super stretchy. So they will hopefully fit me even if I grow more. And they have a lot of them on Amazon. Yeah, so I will also link these, but it's a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they are the kind that clip. They're so comfortable. I'm so glad I did it because, like I said, I wasn't fitting into my older bras anyway. And these are good because the size that I got fits me, except it would be too small around like the band, but they come with an extra little clip addition to it so you can adjust. I probably should have went one size up because I'm on the like last one of those clips, so I think I could have gotten a bigger size. If you do follow my link and look at them, I would size up just because I feel like I could have. It says to go by your normal size, I think, but I really actually wish I would have sized up, and I might even buy more and size up. I don't know yet, but they do fit now. But if I would get any bigger, especially around the band, they probably won't. So just keep that in mind, but they're so comfortable. So I think that's pretty much it, honestly, for updates for 20 weeks being pregnant. Again, I cannot believe I'm halfway through. That is crazy. So we, like I said, have that appointment in a few days, and I actually have 2 appointments that day. I have the big ultrasound, and then like I have my normal my normal pregnancy like check-in. So we're still at one appointment per month about, I think that's what it is. And luckily, since I'm a teacher, I will be on summer break once the appointments get to be more and more, because they increase as you progress in your pregnancy. So that worked out really, really well. I am excited for the summer and to have like my 3rd trimester be when I'm off of work. That will be wonderful. I'm also excited to get into our home because I'm going to be, of course, working on the nursery and everything like that. And I will share that with all of you and do all the nursery things. I am so antsy to do that now, but obviously I can't. But like, I want to prep for baby so badly and make the nursery, but it just has to wait just a little bit longer. But I will definitely film and share all of that journey with you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you love this kind of content, if you love my channel, don't ever hesitate to share it. Share it on Instagram and tag me. If you're watching my video, take a picture, share it. I would love to see it. I think it's just so fun. And that way also we can help this community grow and you are supporting me. So I would totally appreciate it. But if you are new and you're still watching, also don't forget to subscribe, hit that push notification bell so you get notified when I upload. And you can also leave a comment down below and we can chat down there. Alright y'all, be sure to find the beauty in each and every day, and I will be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye!
Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.